In this video, I will show you how to play a simple melody using an Arduino and a buzzer. This is a basic Arduino project for beginners to learn how sound and frequency work. You only need an Arduino board, a passive buzzer, and a few jumper wires. Connect the negative pin to ground and positive pin of the buzzer to digital pin 8. The melody is created using the tone function, which generates sound at specific frequencies. Each number represents a musical note frequency in hertz. The melody repeats automatically using a loop with a short delay. You can modify the notes, speed, or combine this project with buttons or LEDs. Code and wiring diagram are available in the pinned comment.